Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to change chat setting on Telegram. So you have to open the Telegram app on the Android device or iOS. It's working on both the chat settings. So you have to just open the Telegram app and you have to go to the top left of the settings, and there is our settings, and scroll down. There is the top one, chat setting. So you have to click to the chat setting, and here you can message text size, you can increase and decrease. Here you can see big and small. So you can also change chat wallpaper like this. You can choose your own choice. So you can change the name, color, you can change switch night mode, browser theme, and message corners, chat list view, app icon, chat list swipe gesture, auto night mode, animation, sticker emoji, and much more. Here you can find the in chat settings. So here you can make some changes in chat settings on Telegram. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.